Question number 1. Who invented the telephone? The right answer is option B, Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 2. What is the main gas found in the sun? The right answer is option C, hydrogen. Question number 3. Who discovered penicillin? The right answer is option B, Alexander Fleming. Question number 4. What is the most common blood type in humans? The right answer is option D, O group. Question number 5. What is the center of an atom called? The right answer is option D, nucleus. Question number 6. What is the smallest unit of life? The right answer is option C, cell. Question number 7. Which element is known as the king of chemicals? The right answer is option D, sulfur. Question number 8. What is the process by which plants make their food? The right answer is option C, photosynthesis. Question number 9. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? The right answer is option C, Venus. Question number 10. What is the largest planet in our solar system? The right answer is option B, Jupiter. Question number 11. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? The right answer is option D, vitamin D. Question number 12. Who invented the periodic table? The right answer is option C, Mendeleev. Question number 13. Which animal is known as the chief of the desert? The right answer is option B, camel. Question number 14. What is the largest bone in the human body? The right answer is option B, femur. Question number 15. What is the chemical symbol of for iron? The right answer is option A, Fe. Question number 16. Which planet is known as the Earth's twin? The right answer is option B, Venus. Question number 17. What is the pH value of pure water? The right answer is option B, 7. Question number 18. Which vitamin is also known as riboflavin? The right answer is option B, vitamin B2. Question number 19. Who developed the first successful polio vaccine? The right answer is option C, Jonas Salk. Question number 20. What is the main function of white blood cells? The right answer is option C, fighting infection.